how to fix integrity could not be verified on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'm going to help you fix a common issue that many iPhone users face. Integrity could not be verified error when trying to install apps. If you have encountered this message, don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. This error usually pops up when you're trying to install an app, and it's really frustrating. So you can go to settings, then go to general, then scroll down and go to VPN and device management. So this is often where the problem lies. If you have an active VPN connection or device management profiles, sometimes these can interfere with app installations. So try disconnecting the VPN or removing the profile and try attempting the install again. And then you can come back and you can go to screen time and scroll down, go to content and privacy restrictions and go to iTunes and App Store purchases. So make sure that installing apps is also allowed. In-app purchases are also allowed. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.